Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's gaining traction in the creative community: earning money with Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Canva offers a wealth of opportunities to monetize your skills. Let's explore what's new, some essential tips, and advanced features that can help you maximize your earnings. Canva has evolved significantly over the years, and its latest updates make it even easier to create stunning designs. With a user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates, you can produce professional quality graphics without needing extensive design experience. This accessibility opens the door for anyone to start earning money, whether through freelance work, selling designs, or even creating your own products. One of the best ways to earn money with Canva is by offering your design services on freelance platforms. Many businesses and individuals are looking for eye-catching graphics for social media, marketing materials, and more. By showcasing your Canva creations in your portfolio, you can attract clients who appreciate your unique style. Remember to highlight your best work and consider specializing in a niche, such as social media graphics or presentations, to stand out in a crowded market. If you're looking for something a bit more passive, consider creating and selling digital products. Canva allows you to design templates for planners, social media posts, or even ebooks. Once you create these products, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. The beauty of this approach is that you can earn money while you sleep. Just ensure your designs are high quality and provide value to your customers. Now, let's talk about some advanced features that can elevate your Canva game. One standout feature is the ability to create animated graphics. These eye-catching designs can be particularly appealing for social media marketing, helping your clients' posts stand out in a crowded feed. Additionally, Canva's Brand Kit feature allows you to maintain consistency across all your designs, which is crucial for building a recognizable brand. Another tip is to leverage Canva's collaboration tools. If you're working with clients or a team, these features make it easy to share designs and gather feedback in real time. This not only streamlines the design process, but also enhances client satisfaction, leading to repeat business and referrals. As you explore these opportunities, remember that success takes time and persistence. Stay updated on Canva's latest features and trends in the design world to keep your skills sharp and your offerings fresh. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. If you're excited to start your journey with Canva, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy designing, and here's to your success.